Hi everyone, 大家好. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to say different kinds of film genres in Chinese. So sit tight and listen carefully. You're ready? Let's begin! The first word that we're going to learn today is a movie or film. In Chinese, it's 电影. 电影. Silent film in Chinese is 无声电影. 无声电影. So it's a film or movie that doesn't have sound. For example, Charlie Chaplin's movie Safety Last, 安全之下, or Modern Times, 摩登时代. The next one is TV series, 电视剧. For example, How I Met Your Mother, 老爸老妈的浪漫史. It's a TV series, 电视剧. The next word that we're gonna learn today is a TV show, 电视节目. 电视节目. And there are different kinds of TV shows. For example, the first one is stand-up comedy, 单口喜剧. 单口喜剧. And the most famous stand-up comedians are Ali Wong, Huang Ai-li, and Dave Chappelle, 大卫查普尔. The next kind of a TV show is a talk show, 脱口秀. 脱口秀. And let's see some examples of it. The Oprah Winfrey Show, 奥普拉脱口秀, and The Ellen Show, 艾论秀. Another kind of a TV show is a reality show. I know that many people like it. And in Chinese, it's 真人秀. 真人秀. For example, Dancing with the Stars, 与星共舞, or America's Got Talent, 美国达人秀. The next kind of a TV show is a cooking show, 美食节目. 美食节目. And let's see some examples of it. Hell's Kitchen, 地狱的厨房, and Chef's Table, 主厨餐桌. And the last kind of a TV show that we're going to learn today is a game show, 游戏节目. 游戏节目. For example, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? 谁想成为百万富翁? The next film genre is comedy. Comedy is my favorite genre. And in Chinese, it's 喜剧片. 喜剧片. And there are also different kinds of comedy. The first one is Mockumentary, 伪纪录片. 伪纪录片. For example, This is Spinal Tap, 摇滚万岁, or The Office, 办公室. Another kind of comedy is Romcom, romantic comedy. It is actually my favorite type, romantic comedy. So romantic comedy in Chinese is 爱情喜剧. 爱情喜剧. For example, You've Got Mail, 电子情书, or The Wedding Planner, 婚礼专家. Well, the next kind of comedy is Sitcom, 情景喜剧. 情景喜剧. For example, The Simpsons, 辛普森一家, or Friends. Everybody knows Friends, 老友记.
我和 Mike，
这个麦克是从哪里冒出来的？
这个麦克又是从哪里冒出来的？
他是我未婚夫。
Another kind of comedy is satire, 讽刺喜剧. 讽刺喜剧. For example, In the Loop, 灵通人士, or Doctor Strangelove, 奇爱博士. And the last kind of comedy that we're gonna learn today is a sketch comedy, 素描喜剧. 素描喜剧. Let's see some examples. Chappelle's Show, 查普尔秀 and the whitest kids you know, 你认识的最白的孩子们。The next film genre that we're gonna learn today is action. 动作片，动作片。And there are also different kind of action. For example, the first one is adventure.
冒
险片，
冒
险片。Let's see some examples of it. Raiders of the Lost Ark, 夺宝奇兵 and Lawrence of Arabia, for example, 阿拉伯的劳伦斯。The next kind of action is very much popular now. It's superhero. 超级英雄，超级英雄。For example, Iron Man, 钢铁侠 or X-Men, X 战警。Another kind of action is Wuxia action. It's actually a Chinese kind of action.
武侠
Hero, 英雄 or Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. 卧虎藏龙。
谢谢你抽空见我。听说你大喜的日子快到了，想必正在为这件事情忙着吧？
才不呢，能不想他最好。我什么也不愿意管。
And the last kind of action that we're gonna learn today is espionage. 谍战片，谍战片。For example, well, the most favorite and famous one is James Bond, of course. 詹姆斯邦德。The next film genre is drama. 情景剧，情景剧。And there are also different kinds of drama. The first one is melodrama. 剧情片，剧情片。For example, The Fault in Our Stars, 幸运里的错 or Beaches, 海滩。Another kind of drama is medical drama, 医疗剧，医疗剧。Let's see some examples of it. Grey's Anatomy, 实习医生格雷 or Dr. House, 豪斯医生。Another kind of drama is philosophical drama, 哲学剧，哲学剧。For example, The Razor's Edge, 刀锋走险 and I Heart Huckabees, 我爱哈克比。And the last kind of drama that we're gonna talk about today is Docudrama, 纪实剧，纪实剧。For example, Captain Phillips, 菲利普船长 and 127 hours, 127个小时。The next film genre is animation, 卡通片 or 动画片。Shrek, for example, 怪物史莱克 or for example, Who Framed Roger Rabbit, 谁陷害了兔子罗杰。So animation in Chinese is 卡通片 or 动画片。Another kind of film genre is historical, 历史片，历史片。For example, Schindler's List, 辛德勒的名 and Braveheart, 勇敢的心。Historical, 历史片。The next film genre is science fiction, 科幻片，科幻片。Let's see some examples. Avatar, 阿凡达 and Star Wars, 星球大战。Science fiction, 科幻片。Another film genre is romance, 爱情片，爱情片。Let's see some examples. Well, Titanic will be number one. 泰坦尼克号。Or La La Land, 爱乐之城。Romance in Chinese is 爱情片。The next film genre is fantasy, 奇幻片，奇幻片。For example, Lords of the Rings, 指环王 or Harry Potter, 哈利波特。Fantasy, 奇幻片。The next film genre is musical, 音乐剧，音乐剧。Let's see some examples. Well, musical Chicago for sure. 芝加哥 or Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia. Musical 音乐剧. Another film genre is thriller. It's a really hard word for me to pronounce. Okay, in Chinese it's 惊悚片，惊悚片。For example, The Dark Knight, 黑暗骑士 or Joker, 小丑。Thriller in Chinese is 惊悚片。Another film genre is a horror movie, 恐怖片，恐怖片。To be honest, I don't like horror movies. I don't know about you guys, but I really don't watch horror movies. Let's see some examples of it. Saw, 电锯惊魂 and Orphan, for example, 孤儿院。Horror movie in Chinese is 恐怖片。The next film genre is documentary, 纪录片，纪录片。For example, horrible stories, 糟糕的历史 or Inside World War II, 二战血泪史。Documentary, 纪录片。Another kind of film genre is fiction,
故事片，故事片。
For example, Gone with the Wind, 乱世佳人 or Waterloo Bridge, 滚断蓝桥。Fiction in Chinese is
故事片。
The next film genre is Western, 西部片，西部片。Let's see some examples. Dances with Wolves, 与狼共舞 and A Fistful of Dynamite, 革命往事。Western movie in Chinese is 西部片。Another film genre is a war film, 战争片，战争片。Let's see some examples. Hacksaw Ridge, 决战钢锯岭 or Pearl Harbor, 珍珠港。A war film in Chinese is 战争片。And the last two film genres that we are going to talk about today is crime, 警匪片，警匪片。For example, Ocean's 11, 十一罗汉 or Beverly Hills Cop, 北府历山警探。A crime film in Chinese is 警匪片 and the last film genre is biopic or biographical film. In Chinese, it's 传记片，传记片。Let's see some examples. The Greatest Showman, 马戏之王 and Ali, 前往阿里。So biopic in Chinese is 传记片。So that's it for today. We've learned how to say different kinds of film genres in Chinese with examples as well. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye. See you soon.